Hey everyone, this is Arun and I'm back with another question. So this is question number 18 from book Spreadsheet Modeling and Decision Analysis. Here in this question, Tuckered Outfitters plans to market a custom brand of packaged trail mix. The ingredients for the trail mix will include raisins, grain, chocolate, chips, peanuts, and almonds, costing respectively $2.5, 1.5, and then 2, and then 3.5 and 3 per pound. So in this question, they have provided the different nutrients per raisins and grain, chocolate, peanuts, and almonds. They have provided a tabular format here. And this question is having three parts. First one is to formulate a linear programming for this model. Second one is then implement your model in a spreadsheet and solve it. And then third one is the optimal mix, how much the total ingredients cost per package. So I have solved this question using Excel spreadsheet solver. Let me get back to the question. So here is the part A, the problem formulation, where I've used constants and the formulation. And then this one is our part B and C. So part B is spreadsheet model, and then C part, the optimal solution. So this optimal solution is get using the lean Excel solver. Then we have the answer report, and this one is our sensitivity report. And then this one is our limits report. So to get this file, you can just reach me out over WhatsApp and my email address, which will be I'm sharing in the description part of this video. And thank you for watching this video. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.